Hey there, welcome back to Georgen Cooking. Today we have got another easy peasy rice cooker recipe for you. Hi, I'm Georgen, your dietitian. Get ready to make some delicious bubur cha cha right in your rice cooker. I've also added a special ingredient to bump up its protein and fiber content. Make sure to watch till the end. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support is my motivation to keep bringing you more delicious recipe videos. First off, let's take a peek at the ingredients. 1 orange sweet potato. Feel free to switch it up with purple sweet potato or even use both if you like. We also need 1 yam or taro, 6 to 7 pandan leaves, 50 grams sago, 100 ml of coconut milk, and the special ingredients, black eyed peas, half cup of them. Now, black eyed peas are not only tasty, but also a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, which are great for your health. Remember to soak them in water for at least 3 hours or overnight to help shorten the cooking time. And next, peel the sweet potato. They are loaded with vitamin A and C, which support immune function and promote healthy skin. Plus, they contain potassium, which is essential for heart health. Now, cut them into cubes. The same treatment goes for the yam. Yam is rich in vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for brain health and regulating blood pressure. And pandan leaves, a must-have in this recipe, imparting a sweet and earthy vanilla-like fragrance to the dessert. Can you replace them with pandan or vanilla essence? No, it just won't taste the same. Tie these pandan leaves into a knot like this and then set them aside. If you have too many of them, here's a tip. Cut them into smaller pieces, put them in a Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer for up to a few months. Our black eyed peas are done soaking. Alright, that means now it's time to cook. Transfer the sweet potato and yam into your rice cooker. Give it a stir to ensure they are distributed evenly. Add in the pandan leaves, followed by the sago, which helps give a smoother mouthfeel to the dessert. Add in 1.5 liters of water, but try not to add too much water, and I'll tell you why later. Lastly, put in the soaked black eyed peas. Close the lid and let your finger work its magic. Press the rice cooker button and wait for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, do not add too much water because otherwise your rice cooker would be really aggressive like this. I've added 2 liters of water and that's why. After 30 to 40 minutes, the bubur cha cha is done. Let's take a look. The aroma of pandan is simply incredible. It fills the kitchen with a delightful fragrance that's both sweet and earthy. Now let's remove the pandan leaves. Then add in 3 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten the bubur cha cha. Keep in mind that this recipe serves 5 to 6 people, so each serving only contains about 1 teaspoon of sugar. And the last but not least, add in 100 ml of coconut milk for that creamy texture and tropical flavor. And just like that, our rice cooker bubur cha cha is done. Easy, right? I hope you enjoy learning how to make these traditional Malaysian desserts right in your rice cooker. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to Georgen Cooking for more easy and delicious recipes. Remember to try this recipe at home, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye!